kalaflai atu hane ha tau tolu a tau wala tal tutupu ke lata ia mo puli po nei. Greetings and kalaflai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Kua awhoi whalu he tau mamatua ha kua amanakini si malikisi hake e tau tutongi. He tau apahuhu pauta Kerry Kia ke lata mai tau muke muke taha ke wha e mahina. Ke mga au nei koe onongo fulu e tau tāla ke lata mai apahuhu pauta ke lata mai tau tamamuke muke whanau fau tā mahina. 5.5 tau tāla e tutongi ke lata mai tau muke ua e mahina. 5 e tāla ke lata mai tau apahuhu he tau muke muke tolu ke he wha e tau mahina mai he tutongi whakamua koe ua 5 e tāla mai 5 sene. Pē mai taki he whale koloa Swanson, koe ka kano ni ko malikisi e tutongi ke he tau apahuhu Kerry Kia, ha kua hiki e kautaha ne kua whakatau mai e tau koloa i New Zealand. Ke mga honei kua mātutaki e Swanson ke he whale koloa i New Zealand, ka kua nākai la maua mai hatala ke he kakano ni ko malikisi hake e tutongi ke he tau pauta huhu. Nā kai whai tangata ne kua tohi atu ke he whakatuwhano ke he Price Control Board ke tau se e tau kumikumianga. Parents were surprised at the price increase of baby formula milk at Swanson. The Kerry Care formula price usually $28.50 and is now $60 for 1-month-year-old babies, $55 for 2-month-year-old babies, and $50 for the 3- and 4-month-year-old baby formulas. Swanson Supermarket General Manager says that the increase of the baby formula prices is due to the change of suppliers that they are using in New Zealand. Swansons have contacted the suppliers but have yet to receive a response. Senior government official says that the Price Control Board is inactive at this time. Once a formal complaint is received from the public, only then can the department carry out any investigations. Toko e pulotu kisikese ke he langi ke po ko Jendi mo Richard Somerville Ryan, ne langwata i he whainga hoewa haniwe ke kumi e tau puhala mo wa tupe. Talahau e tau pulotu ka anoano ke he tau whakasino satellite to lahi he fulufuluala a niwe he po. Tose e kiwa moli kai mai ke kisia maali e tau moli ke he whale koloa Swanson moe waafo. Amanaki Jendi mo Richard ke liliu mai ke motu he mahina o ke topa ke whakatoka taha whakakoanga ke lata moe totouanga he tau whetu, mahina tau potapotanga he tau whetu po he tau constellations, moe Milky Way ke lata mo lau tolu ne manako ke maua taha māmanga po ke whia lafi ki ai halau tolu a tau puhala maua tupe mai he tau ngahua ewa halau tolu. Ke lata mai whenonga ke uaaki ko manako alau tolu ke tohia e taha pepa ne ko maike ke whahikise e tau puhala he tau mamatua he wahawhaka mua, whakaonga he tau whetu, mahina, mai la ke lata me tau puhala o whano ki moana wake ke he wau. Jendi and Richard Somerville Ryan, while on holiday here in Niue, have now commenced to help Niue boost ecotourism through Niue's beautiful night sky. Director for Tourism Felicity Boland took great interest in the pair's work already done in Great Barrier Island, New Zealand, where they've established the island as a dark sky sanctuary, promoting the superior nighttime landscapes that are now generating, in some instances, up to $200 per visitor. Niue has quality dark skies with the exception of lighting at the wharf and Swanson's, where lighting there was easily picked up by the satellites. The team is looking to building a traditional knowledge pertaining to Niue's skies, including use for navigation and any related stories important for Niue's cultural heritage. Jenny and Richard shall be returning to Niue to conduct a more comprehensive workshop in the end of October 2018, inviting those interested in stargazing and possibly adding to their existing tourism venture to please contact Olga Wilson. Ke hukeo ki wahatap kwa mole ne tolo atu e tau tangata ke he whanua I paliasi ke lata mai awhakatata he maanga loftu ke lau. Ko matapat manatu ke lata mai aho koe leweki mai pui pui e taktakai motu hatam hatawa. Fulfloa le tau lanu ke he kehe mai tau ngahua lima ne kua whakamanaia ki e tau whale whakafuakai he tau tangata ki lota he maanga. Ko ale mga aho e takitaki he maanga ko tutuli haka ke lata me taha mga aho whakalongo tuki, ke lata mai tau mamatua whahelehele ne kua okioki ke he tau nei. Whakese he takitaki haana tau manatu whakaue ke tau tangata ne kua whakalataha ke he aho whatata he maanga, kai mua atu ke he tau tangata he maanga, ha koe tūmau ke tau mahani kau whakalataha, ke tau ngahua osi he maanga ha alofitu ke lau. Longa tau kai he tau whale ne kua whakafua ke lata moe tau tangata ni ko hohoko atu, ha iai fōki ke he lalo whale ni ko tokai e tau talo uwhi tau musini, tau ka uwhi tau fosimala he tau mamatua tāne, he maanga ni kua whakatata. Kua whakatatoa e aho he maanga ke he tau whakapiawhia, mai he tau whānau I kiki, tau whāta moe tau mutawhine ki lota he maanga. Alofi North held the village annual show day over the weekend, and stalls were decorated with different colored balloons and handicrafts. The village theme of the day is to protect the ecosystem for future generations. The chairperson of the Alofi North Village Council requested a moment of silence for members of the village that were laid to rest. The chairperson, Tutuli Haka, thanked everyone for supporting the community, but most of all, he thanked residents of Alofi North for their continuous support to all VC-based projects and to the village show day. The community held a competition for the best rainbow dress. Heaps of food were put out by the community for visitors, like umu food, rotis to barbecue food, desserts and drinks. There was a healthy display of fresh produce this year, with a variety of yams, taros, cassava, strawberries and chilies being sold. The day ended with a beautiful performance from the children of the community and other community groups. And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Koes mene ato tolu atau walatau tutupu ke lata ia mo puli po nei. Kena no wha me kia mnune po.